What's up YouTube, Steven the Salon Guy here, and in today's haircut video, I'm going to be transforming this haircut into a Kpop mullet. So I'm going to execute the haircut, and then we'll come back and break it down at the end.
There's a little girl with golden hair, running free with no despair, and I wonder who has brought her here into this playful place, this playing space with sparkling grace. I wanna sing, sing, sing in 1,000 ways.
All right guys, so here's the finished look and let's break it down. So the first thing that you saw, what I did in through here was section off the entire haircut, and that's really essential for any haircut, is mapping out what you're going to do. So this is literally an undercut, all right? And I think that's one of the secrets of these haircuts is no one really knows, but you know, it's a little bit of an undercut in through here, and you let this hair hang over here, so it gives it kind of the illusion that, you know, there's not really a lot of weight coming in through here, and it just kind of helps make this lay a little bit flatter in through here. So I did that on both sides. I left this out completely. I used like a number 3 guard all the way up to here underneath, and then eventually taper it down with 1 right in through both sides, keeping obviously, you know, this out of the way so that I know I was going to come back to this. All right, so after I did that, then I went back and cut the length throughout the bottom here with the feather razor to give it somewhat of a softer, kind of piecier look throughout the bottom and through here. All right, so once I established my length, then I started removing all of the weight internally in through the back. And how I did that was by over-directing everything upwards, going from shorter to longer, so that this is removing a lot of that weight in through here, okay? Then after I did that, I went in and connected the top So I did create some movement because even though this looks like it's one length, there are some layers in through here, so it actually does have a little bit of texture, and it's not just so heavy. All right, they're hidden layers, but they're there, okay, because they're really balanced. You're not going to see a bunch of choppiness throughout the haircut. It's just a nice smooth blend. And here's the really interesting part: is creating these types of mullet type haircuts. Even though it's disconnected, it's still working in and blended in as far as the shape goes. All right, so we have a nice curvature going in through here, and how I created this wispiness is I went back in with my thinning shears and I really just removed a ton of weight. So between the layering and then between the thinning shears, this really created a lot of texture and and some really nice, cool edgy look. And then I went in and I used a new product that I'm coming out with hopefully within a month or so, which is a grooming clay. An amazing instant results clay. You put it in, it tames it down, easy to get through the hair, and it gives some really nice hold and texture. So here we have the finished result. All right, everyone, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below what you thought. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.